Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I'm having to do the intro today because Maria's getting over a bug, which is probably going to explain why this video is a little lackluster to say the least.
Hang on and we'll be right back.
We're in Florida. We're about an hour from Tampa. This video is basically going to be, if any of you guys want to see anything that can't make it to the Tampa show, let us know what it is. We'll do our best to go find it, film it, and get it back for you. Maybe try and do a Facebook Live if we have enough cell coverage. The other thing is, our good friends Jason and Jennifer over at No Sticks, No Bricks, we're going to do a meet and greet with them in Tampa on Thursday
at 11:15.
At 11:15 in
the yellow building or some. Anyway, we'll put the information up here on the screen.
Matter of fact, we'll try and make the schedule, the actual thumbnail for this video.
Okay.
The other thing that we've run into is we found a couple of issues with the fifth wheel, and thanks to Pete from West on the Move and Dale and John from Cottywomple
Travelers.
Cottywomple Travelers. They all came out and gave me a hand this morning finding where this water leak was and getting it fixed. It's been wore out from the move and here, and
did some other projects, put up some logos and some stickers, and
we'll show you some of the other stuff that we've done.
Clay was on the roof.
Just so that there's some type of content in this video, but we'll be back at it.
I know we keep saying that, but really, it's been a crazy couple of weeks.
Yeah. So.
And we promise we will do a video on the new fifth wheel very soon.
It's coming. It's just we're about 90% there with stuff being stored away.
It took us a week to find Clay's favorite shoes.
Yeah. So.
But we finally found them.
All right. So. We're going to let Maria go back in and rest her voice, get out of the cool air, and I'm going to walk you around and show you some of the stuff that we've done on the rig.
Cool.
All right, so we did put the Gen Y back on here. One of the things that we did today was we checked and retorqued all the bolts to 160 foot-pounds just to make sure that the dealer did it properly. That's all good to go. Created that mess, so I've got to get a new tailgate. And then we put our beloved logo on the slide. We got it done. And for those of you that don't know, Maria designed this back in, I guess, 2019 for us. And it's a bear to put on. I'm not going to lie to you. Each one of these things, it's a transfer. There's no, all of this is cut out, and then it's these little squiggly lines here, they're a pain in the butt. We did something new on the back of the fifth wheel. I'm not sure if you can tell it right now or not, but the web address is done in reflectix. So during the day it's black, but when headlights hit it at night, it's in gold. So we're going to see how that works out, and maybe it'll show up at night. Next thing we're going to do. All right, you really can't see it in here, but we had to take this entire wall out. And then that heater vent, they had just jammed it up against a 1x, so we had to take the 1x out and basically rebuild that entire wooden frame, but we got the leak stopped. All right, we got our micro airs installed, which these are 2 of them. We got the coffee bar straightened out, and we got our, this is a really bad shot of it, but this is an ottoman from the 23-year model, but East to West was nice enough to give it to us, and so we've made use of it. In the 24, we got rid of the other 2 chairs and kept these 2. And Maria's project today with them was she Scotch guarded them. So we've got that done. All right, in the bathroom, that towel rack is too low, so I've got to get that moved up. But then the hand towel thing, we just put that up, and as you can see, it's just a little knob that the towel goes on. All right, in the bedroom, this TV that, well, not this one, but the TV that came in this rig was not a smart TV. It was one of those Jensen's. So I basically had to refabricate that bracket in the back to hold this Hisense smart TV. We've now got it mounted and it's ready to go. The bed, we ended up buying a bed off of Amazon and got rid of our Nuforma, or Nuform, I think it's Nuforma. We got rid of the queen and went to a king, and it's an RV mattress, so it's literally right there on the edge, and it's still a little thick. We also put in a micro air in the bedroom. The last project was to get a vacuum cleaner, and we ended up, because this thing was basically, it's not pre-wired, but it had a pre-backer and everything for a Dyson. So we got one of those from Costco so that we could sweep the floors. And then Maria's gonna kill me, but this closet's full. This is all the stuff. This is the primary reason why we had to go to a bigger fifth wheel, was we didn't have this storage space before, and as you can see, it is packed to the gills. And then on this side, this is where the washer and dryer goes. And when I say we're still in the process of trying to find a home for everything, right now this is the coat closet. Looks like it's also the shoe closet, and also a trap waiting for somebody to open the door. So that's the rig. You can see Maria's also got her pictures up, and I think that's pretty much it. We'll do a more in-depth tour when we're both a little less tired and not sick. And we still have a full review of the Gen Y coming. But for now, I think that's all we got.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.